So we're gonna do this poly gel kit that I got from eBay on Chloe's nails. It was pretty cheap, like 35 bucks. So I got the Kiss glue and her long stiletto tips, and we're gonna glue them on and have her buff her nail and all that stuff. Beach. So I'm using Lavender Violet's acrylic gel poly gel. It's like 4 bucks on eBay. I make her file her nails a little bit more. She has to help out. So we're gonna like clean them and also dry them out. We're gonna have to put a base coat so that way everything can be all nice and sticked. Look at those tips, girl. Yes. They take a while to do the dryer thing, because this right here was like, I don't know, it's kind of cheap, but for the kit, it doesn't matter. Alcohol is going to help you like smooth out the poly gel, so you're going to use alcohol. I like to get the poly gel and just squeeze it out onto the nail, like go down the nail with the poly gel. So it's kind of like a Play-Doh kind of. It's weird. You use the alcohol to spread it around, and it helps it move. And yeah, so you just push it around and it shapes the nail. And yeah, look at that. You just push that hoe around and she'll do what you want. It goes down, you know, and you shape it, and then you just keep pulling down. You see how a little bit falls off? You just put that aside, and if you need like a filler, you have some on the side. But like that alcohol is your friend. It helps move around so smoothly. So you just keep like brushing it down. You can make them as thick as you want, as thin as you want. You really don't have to go super thick because they cure beautifully. Look at that. Oh, I love those. I told her you could use that by yourself. Like, you don't have to put color on there. You can just leave them white. And just shaping and shaping. For the first few times I tried this, it sucked. Like, I could not do it. So after you cure it again and it gets nice and hard, you can file them. And you have to leave it in your UV light for like 8 to 10 minutes. Because mine sucks. So then we put on a base coat for the nail polish. But look at that, how it came out. Nice and smooth. And strong. So I got some black nail polish here from eBay as well. I think it was like $3. And I put black nail polish down as my, you know, like my background color. Cure it, you know. This nail polish, it was good, but you have to put double. But I also got this Rimmel glitter bomb one to put on top because, I don't know, I like black background with glitter. It looks nice. So then, yeah, you just put those on, and I thought that looked nice, but I like more glitter, so I did a few coats on that, and then I had another nail polish glitter that I put on top to make it look more galaxy. See that? Like a galaxy queen. Cure it, and I can't really see it. Let me go into like the kitchen, and then we can show what they look like. This is my first time actually like doing it good, because like all the other times were bad. But yeah, I like them. They came out cute, and I don't have to pay $80. So $35 kit. Yeah.